So I'll start by saying this. If you are running ads and you are not using a Facebook pixel, you're making a huge mistake. Facebook is essentially going to put a stamp on me and say, Joe Dickinson went and checked out XYZ person's AirPods. What's going on, my friend? This is Joe Dickinson, and in this video, I am going to explain to you what the Facebook pixel is and how to use it for the ad campaigns that you're running on Facebook, either currently or if you haven't run any ads yet on Facebook, the ads that you're going to then set up for your business in the future. So I'll start by saying this. If you are running ads and you are not using a Facebook pixel, you're making a huge mistake. And the reason being is because the Facebook pixel gives you so many advantages and helps you so much get a better ROI or return on investment with the ad campaigns that you're running. So let me start by telling you what the Facebook pixel is. And if you already know, just hang with me for a second, but let me explain it simply. Typically, when you run an ad on Facebook, you want someone to take a specific action, right? So if you've ever seen an ad on Facebook, you're reading the ad copy or you're looking at the image, typically what the person wants you to do is click on a link and go out to their website or go out to their funnel or wherever. You're sending traffic somewhere, right? Or that person is sending you to a page. Well, the Facebook pixel is a little snippet of code that you're actually going to put on your website or on your funnel. So let me back up and give you a hypothetical so it's ultra clear. Say, for example, you wanted to sell these AirPods, right? Here's Apple AirPods, and maybe this was your brand AirPods, not Apple's. So you sell this product, and by the way, this could be for your personal brand, any product that you sell. Just imagine I'm holding your product or we're trying to get people to your website, right? But we're going to use this as the example. So you're running an ad and you're talking about how awesome these AirPods are. And the call to action is, hey, go buy these AirPods, or, go buy these AirPods, just pay shipping, whatever the case may be. And someone clicks on the link and goes to the web page that has these AirPods or these little headphones that people can purchase. Well, the Facebook pixel, when you set up your ad, you're going to take the code that Facebook gives you, it's just a little snippet of code, and you're going to paste it on the web page of these AirPods. And I'm going to show you how to do that in another training video, or I might show you actually right on the tail end of this one. It's very simple to do. So if you say, Joe, I know what the pixel is, but I don't know how to embed it, don't worry, I'll cover that for you. But what happens is this code's going to go on your website, and so what'll happen in a hypothetical situation of, say, for example, you were running an ad and I saw your ad and I said, I want those headphones. So I click on your ad and I go to your link. As long as that Facebook pixel code is submitted on your page, Facebook is essentially going to put a stamp on me and say, Joe Dickinson went and checked out XYZ person's AirPods. So now, every time I go on Facebook, or even in other areas, right? Other web pages and stuff, I'm gonna see your ad show up. Why? Because Facebook was able to track that I was interested in these AirPods because I visited your website, and because that pixel was on your website, it fired and attached me to you. So at this point, now I'm gonna see more ads served up by you. It's kind of like, have you ever been looking for a car or an item, or you went on your favorite store's website and all of a sudden you started seeing their ads? It's because they have this Facebook pixel embedded on their website. So that way, every time someone comes on, they're able to kind of grab your data, literally, and then be able to put ads in front of you because they know that you're likely to buy their products. So that's why the Facebook pixel is so advantageous. And if you don't have it, you're really messing up, quite honestly, because you're not giving Facebook that data. And Facebook's incredibly brilliant with putting your ads in front of the right people and putting them back in front. It's called retargeting, back in front of the people who are interacting already with your ad. And what do we know? 80% of sales are made after the fourth follow-up or the fourth touch or the fourth exposure. So you want people to continually go to your page. The Facebook pixel will allow you to do that. So let me jump over onto the computer and I'll show you actually a scenario of the Facebook pixel and an ad and how it works. And then you should be well equipped and have a good understanding of Facebook pixels and how to get them on your website. All right, we'll see you over here in just a second. Alrighty, so here we go. So this right here is a page that I built actually in a ClickFunnels account. And the idea or what I'm pitching to people is to jump on a free webinar where I teach them how to grow a business using Facebook Messenger bots. All right, so I want to run people to this free webinar because I want to get them into my ecosystem, to get people to know, like, trust, respect me, love my training, etc. And then on the back end of this webinar, I sell people on a course that shows them exactly how to use Facebook Messenger bots and go in depth. So the idea here is offer free value. Once you give someone a ton of free value and they love what you're teaching and they want to know more, they can go ahead and actually purchase my course and then go through and learn and go to a whole nother level. Now, I'm a huge fan of just offering free value and giving people the skills that they're going to be able to learn for free to go out and execute. But if they want to accelerate that process, certainly they can go ahead and pay for information to get where I show them exact campaigns that I build, et cetera, et cetera. So the idea here is I want to get a lot of people to register for my free webinar, right? That's my business model here. That's what I want to do with this product. So as you can see, let me bring this down so you can see. Right here, this is called a Facebook Pixel Helper. It's just a Google Chrome extension that you can download. And if you're serious about running Facebook ads, you certainly want to download this Google Chrome extension. If you go over here and you click on Tools and then click on Extensions, you see how we have all these extensions in here? Well, definitely go ahead and install Facebook Pixel Helper. You can also just go ahead and Google Facebook Pixel Helper, and then go ahead and download it right through here. So let me go back to where I was. So right here you can see that I have my page view and view content pixel on. So in other words, when someone sees a Facebook ad that I'm running and they click the link and they go out to this page, the pixel will fire. So if you see one of my Facebook ads, yes you, if you see one of my Facebook ads and you click it and you go to one of my pages, I'm gonna pixel you. Why? Because I wanna keep hitting you with more content. So that's the way this Facebook Pixel works. Let me just show you, we have a couple ads running, by the way. So one of the campaigns that I'm running right here is pushing people to go register for the webinar. Now, I just started this campaign not long ago, so we're just doing some testing. As you can see, these lead costs are way up. I'll get them way down. But as I'm testing ad sets and running ads, I can scale things accordingly. So as you can see right now, this Tony Robbins ad set is doing decently well, or the best compared to what else I have going on. Like this Ty Lopez ad set, I was getting leads and I could have let it run, but look at how high or how much money I'm paying per lead. Whereas Tony Robbins, the ad set, or putting my ad in front of people who are interested in Tony Robbins, they're really receptive to my ad. So if we click over here on the Tony Robbins, and we go over to the ad here, you can see this ad in specific is doing pretty well for me. I've got 9 leads at $3.10 a lead, and a lead is qualified by someone who registers for my webinar. So it's a pretty high quality lead. They went through the funnel, they've registered, and I also have them in a Facebook group as well. So I'm willing to spend $3.10. The ad quality is above average. This is great to see. But if we go ahead and we click on edit, I want to just show you what this ad looks like. Let's go ahead and do preview this ad so you can see the whole flow here. So if we scroll down, here's my ad. Chatbots are red hot, blah, blah, blah. So people are going ahead and seeing this ad, and if they click on learn more, voila, it opens this page right here, and I'm pixeling the person. So the power of that now is if they don't register, that's fine. I'm going to show back up in front of them, and chances of them registering a second, third, fourth time of seeing my ad is good. Not to mention the other ads I have running. So now people are going to more than likely see this ad again, but they might also see this ad, which is pitching the same thing, getting people to go to that page, but in a different way, in a video. So now my person is seeing multiple different, things from me, and I now look more impressive to them and change things up. Let me just show you a quick preview of this ad real quick so you can see the whole flow. So someone's scrolling through Facebook, and all of a sudden, boom, here I come again after it loads. But now it's a video of me. So now maybe this video sells them on registering for the webinar. Of course, it's taking forever to load when I'm trying to do this demo here. Here it is. You've seen them before, and you'll see them again, and if they click, boom, it goes out to this page again, and then there you go. So that's how the Facebook Pixel works. If you go into your ClickFunnels account, if you have a ClickFunnels account, if you don't, I'll drop a link, or if you see this on Facebook, you can message me, but there's a free, I think it's a 14-day trial they offer. I'll drop a link in here so you can go ahead and take advantage of that. But when you go into your ClickFunnels account or whatever editor you're using, most of the main ones have the ability to go ahead and submit a pixel. But if you click on Edit Page and you go over into your settings and go to tracking code, you can go ahead and pop your pixel right here. So that's essentially how that works. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how the Facebook pixel works and why you want to put it on your website. So that's the basic understanding. Now you can go ahead and get deeper with Facebook pixel standard events. We're not going to cover this in this video, but I'll just kind of give you a quick little glimpse. When someone registers for a webinar, the way that I can track that they were a confirmed lead right here, let me just show you. See right here, leads. I know that they're a lead because I've set up the pixel in such a way where Facebook will show me that data. So check this out. When this link opens, you see how right here it says lead, whereas on this page it says, or it doesn't say lead. I have a specific code put on this page to fire the lead pixel. So if someone gets to this page, that means they've successfully registered through here for the webinar and now have landed on this page. So I can monetize and see exactly what I'm paying. So in this case, it's $3.07 and $3.10 here to get people to this page and then confirm them as a lead. I'm getting them into my Facebook group. So look, I'm going to keep bringing that cost down as this ad campaign scales, but I'll pay that all day long to get this right here. So that's what the Facebook pixel is. If you have any questions, of course, reach out. We're more than happy to help. And one last thing I'll leave you with. Here's my agency website. So this is another example. See how I have the Facebook pixel right here as well. So if people come to my website and then I run ads, I want to get in front of them. So all the pages that you have, every single one of them, if you don't have a Facebook pixel on it, you're making a massive mistake. Make that happen. And if you have more questions, check me out on YouTube unless you're seeing me there. Watch some more training videos, and you can always reach out or check us out online. All right? Talk to you all in a bit, my friends. Appreciate you. See you in a bit. Bye-bye.